I've got some Christmas gift ideas for you. Anybody recognise this? Hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a Christmas gift ideas video for you. So I'm just going to show you a load of things that I've either bought for people as presents. A few of the items that I'm going to show you are items that I've been sent, and I've got a few just random bits and pieces that I just thought would make good Christmas gifts to give you some ideas and some inspiration. So hopefully as you're watching through this, it might just trigger a little spark of an idea that you can then go and choose something for somebody yourself. Yeah, if you're anything like me, often I'll get stuck and end up just resorting to the same things every year, and I get people the same stuff. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you all of these things and it might give you some ideas. So before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and throughout December I'm uploading most days. And if you enjoy this Christmas gift ideas video, please give it a little thumbs up. Also feel free to share ideas down in the comments down below, and you can all have a read down there, and hopefully this will help us all smash our Christmas shopping. Have you done yours yet? Don't worry, I haven't either, hence a lot of this stuff not being actual presents, just stuff that I've collected from around the house, but we'll just go with it. All right, these are actually presents. These are the first things that I've got to show you. I spied these when I was in Paris in Carrefour supermarket. If I can find them here in the UK, I will link them. And essentially, it is a giant tub of Pringles, which I guess is kind of weird, but some of my friends absolutely love Pringles, so I've got them one each. I've got the sour cream and onion and the good old original. These just bring back fond memories of us being at the airport, waiting for a delayed flight to go on holiday, taking comfort in eating Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop. An idea for a handmade present that I had was to give somebody some plants. So you may have planted something yourself. You may remember earlier this year I planted these succulents, so I propagated these by putting the leaves on the soil, and they've grown enough now that I think I could pop some of these into a little pot and separate them all, and I could give those as a little gift. I think it would just be a really nice touch. I could maybe even pop some like plastic around them and hang them on the gift bag. I think they'd look really sweet. Or potentially you could pop them inside one of those baubles as well. I don't know if they'd last in there, but I think it'd look quite cool as a little gift. So yeah, I might actually do that. If I do, hopefully I will be able to show you. The next thing I've got to show you is a book that I have really enjoyed. It's called The New Fashion Rules. It's by Victoria McGrath, who's better known as In The Fro blog. So she's a blogger, and she's basically just gone through the new fashion rules. So she's talking about how social media is used. It also goes into detail about things like YouTube as well. So this would be a really nice present, I think, for anyone that's kind of involved in blogging or Instagram or YouTube, or just has a general interest in fashion. I guess it's probably more aimed at females, but I found this a really interesting read myself, and I think the book's just a really lovely cover, so it's a nice gift as well. It's got some really insightful information in it, so I highly recommend that. I'm just gonna have a sip of my coffee, and I just thought I'd quickly show you my mug today. I think Kate would love this one. This is from Kate Wolfhart, and Kate Wolfhart does amazing Christmas ornaments in Germany. So I will be showing you those in a future video. I'll try and get us into the store to have a look at all their ornaments, so you can have a little look. Talking of Germany, I was sent this beautiful box of marzipan. Now, marzipan here in the UK is very different to marzipan in Germany. So if you haven't tried this kind of marzipan, then you really are missing out, in my opinion. I think it's so delicious. It comes chocolate coated. They've got, it looks like an apple strudel version in there, and then there's all different flavours in a smaller box. It's quite hard to show you with the lamps on, but yeah, they've sent me this beautiful box of it, and this is something that I actually pick up every year when I go to Germany. So this comes from a place called Lübeck, which I may be visiting this year. If I do, I will be sure to vlog it for you. But yeah, often we'll pick up these at the airport. So if I can find where you can pick up some of these in the UK, I will link them down below. But yeah, if you haven't tried it before, it's not like the marzipan we get here when we're icing the cake. It's nicer. I've shown you these before in the home bargains haul, but I just wanted to show you them to remind you that a nice gift idea, in my opinion, I don't think you can go wrong with this, is a nice little tipple, a bottle of someone's favourite drink. And these are just really nice little bottle bags from Home Bargains to personalise them. So it's got the initials on the front. And me and Kate were joking that you could buy someone's name and spell it out in wine. So the longer your name is, the more you're going to benefit. I think that would be such a fun idea as a present, and it would look really cool all lined up. But yeah, you could pop anything you like in these. So some drinks I think that you cannot go wrong with as a little Christmas gift. First of all, I honestly don't think you can beat a bottle of Baileys at Christmas time. I think it makes such a lovely present. You can usually pick up the litre bottles for around £15 in the supermarkets. There's usually some good offers on, and it's just delicious. I like the original one the best. I know they do all different flavours, but you can't beat the original in my opinion. I went to a gin cocktail masterclass earlier this year with Plymouth Gin, and this is a delicious gin. Again, if somebody's a gin lover, or even if they haven't tried gin before, there are some really brilliant gins out there for all different budgets. I can highly recommend this one from Plymouth Gin. It is delicious. It's 41.2 volume, and yeah, it's just really nice. And you could just go with whatever your budget allows for. They do some great ones in Lidl and Aldi as well. Another lovely gift is a bottle of champagne, or you could buy somebody a bottle of Prosecco. Yeah, it's just a really easy thing to obviously pick up, and you can get some quite reasonable ones. I picked this one up in Lidl, and I think it was around 12 or 13 pounds. I think most of the supermarkets have good offers on at the minute, and it's just a nice thing that someone can tuck it away for New Year's Eve, or if they're like me, they'll probably open it immediately and get the party started. Marks and Spencer's have some really nice smaller bottles of liqueurs and alcohol. So I picked this one up. This is an aperitivo liqueur, orange, bitter and orange. I think essentially this is like Aperol, I'm guessing. So I thought this would be nice to make little Negronis with. They also do some speciality gins and whiskies and different liqueurs. I think I've seen some Christmas themed ones in there. I think they do like a mince pie liqueur as well, which I haven't tried yet, but looks delicious. And they're just a really nice little bottle for a gift, I think. I think a mug makes a really nice gift. This one I picked up in Home Bargains. I think it was this one 99p? And I think it's fun if you make a bit more of a gift with the mug by popping something into it. So you could add somebody's favourite sweets. You could do what I've done here and add a plant or a cactus. And you could also add somebody's favourite coffee or hot chocolate, and then tie some plastic around it, or just tie a bow on it. And I think that makes a really nice little gift. Do you remember these that I picked up at the boot sale this year? Well, I have already drank about 4 of them. I did cave. Some of you were saying that I would never last until Christmas. These are Pickering's hand-picked gin baubles. So essentially they are plastic baubles. I'll just get one out to show you, that you can hang on the tree, and I think they're just a really nice little present. You get, I think you get 8 in here. I've got a couple left. Oh, you get 6. And this is how they look. So you get a double measure of Pickering's gin in there, and I can confirm that it is delicious. So yeah, really nice little present. Someone could hang these on their tree or around their place, and then just pop one off whenever they want. And obviously you could refill these as well. You don't have to throw them away afterwards. So yeah, if I can still find these, I will link them for you down below. I'm sure other brands do bauble drinks as well. I think fragrance is always a lovely gift, and I did a favourite fragrance video, I can't remember what we called it, with Luke, where we both spoke about I think it was our top 5 fragrances. So I'll link that down below in case you want to get some ideas of fragrances for men. My favourite at the moment is this one by Tom Ford. It probably isn't to everyone's taste. It's called Black Orchid, and it's quite sweet and smells amazing, but I'm not sure that everybody would love this one, but feel free to go and give it a sniff. I think it's unisex as well. It's really nice. But yeah, Zara also do some really good options for men's fragrances, and they're quite cheap. They're about the £10 mark, and they go up to about £15, and they also come in really nice boxes, and the bottles are really nice as well. Also, if you're interested in fragrances, do go and check out my friend Sarah's channel, The Perfume Pros. She does it with her lovely friend whose name I've forgotten, but they are brilliant. They go through all the different fragrances and tell you all about the different notes. They tell you what's coming out, and they'll have loads of good tips. So I'll link their channel down below, and if you pop over there, please say that Mr. Carrington said hello. Subscription boxes can be a good idea, and I've been sent this Dollar Shave Club box from Dollar Shave Club. obviously. That was a rubbish sentence. So I thought I'd just open this up and show you what you get in here. It says your everyday routine just got that little less routine. So it's got a little, your bathroom reader, the holiday issue. So it comes with a little magazine that you can have a read of. It comes with the razor handle and it comes with the razor blades. It says to change your razor blade every week. So those are the razors. They look pretty decent. And so you get 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also get this shave butter and a post-shave dew. That sounds nice. A light and soothing finish. Oh, that smells lovely. Yeah, so this is £5, I think, for the first kit. And then you can sign up for monthly replacement blades. And I think you get 4 per month and it's £8 a month. So they just get delivered through your letterbox, which is really handy, and you'll remember to change your blades when they need changing. And it's flexible as well, so you can cancel it if you don't get on with them. So I'll leave the link for that one down below. I do think subscriptions are a really nice idea. Magazine subscriptions are a good shout. I mean, I would absolutely love like a home or interior design magazine on a monthly subscription. That would be the dream. I know my sister's had a Vogue subscription before now and she really enjoyed getting those delivered to her. Another really lovely gift is a bottle of good whiskey. I went along to an evening with baubles and I tried all of their whiskies and I can confirm that they are all incredible. This one here was distilled in the year 2000 and it's a Highland single malt Scotch whiskey and it was bottled in 2017. It comes in this beautiful box. The bottle is absolutely stunning as well. So these are slightly more expensive for a gift, but again you can find some more affordable ones in places like Aldi. Often do a really good whiskey at quite a reasonable price. So you can have a little look around and yeah, if you know somebody who loves a nice glass of whiskey, then I think it's a lovely gift for Christmas because it's just so warming, isn't it? So yeah, really nice. And handy that it comes in a box as well. A bottle in a box is always a bit easier to wrap up. Of course, you can just use one of the personalised gift bags if you're putting the bottle in a bag. Another idea is to put together a little food hamper for somebody. There's loads of different hamper ideas you could do. Kate did a great little hampers idea video, and I think she got most of the things. Did she get them all from Poundland? I can't remember, but she put together some hampers. I couldn't not show this one. This you may have seen before. This was a present for me from Kate. So yeah, you could always have a bit of fun and maybe do a little jokey present as well to pop in for somebody like this. And the nice thing that you can include in hampers is some Christmas jams and Christmas chutneys or marmalades. So I've got these ones here, these are all handmade. And I just think that together in a little basket with maybe some nice coffee or a nice little bottle of something, they would be really sweet to give to somebody. Chocolates is always a good shout, and they've got some great ones in home scents. These ones are tequila vodka liqueurs, so those will be quite interesting to try. And they come in this really sweet little crate, so I think that's just a really nice little gift. They have loads of good stuff in home scents and in the food section in TK Maxx. They've got loads of flavoured coffees, they've got all the different chocolates, they've got nice little kits of things, so well worth a little look if you fancy getting some food items. You can also pick up some really nice bits in Hamer. They do the really nice waffles. They also do them in Tiger as well, I think, and they'd make a really nice present too. A chocolate Santa always goes down well, or a chocolate Christmas tree, like this beautiful one from Chococo. And again, this is something that most budgets can allow for. There's different versions of chocolate Christmas trees and chocolate Santas, isn't there? I've got a, where is he? There's a limp one waiting to be eaten. And I think his days are numbered. You could also treat somebody to a Christmas pudding. I've got this one from Heston from Waitrose, which I just thought looked so cool. This one is called the Golden Delicious Christmas Pudding. I've got this cute bear on the front and a golden apple, and the Christmas pudding itself is gold. And it says a fruited spiced Christmas pudding with fresh apple cider pie nuts and a honey and apple brandy sauce centre. That sounds absolutely delicious. And I found today Bailey's single cream, or is it double cream? I can't remember. I haven't tried it yet, but I just thought a bit of that on a mince pie or a bit of that on here, and we're good to go for the afternoon. And another nice food idea is a panettone. just said really badly. Usually they come in a great box like this, so they're really easy to wrap up, and I think they just make a lovely present. And I think it's always nice to have one of these knocking around at Christmas time to chop up and leave in the kitchen for people just to snack on throughout the day. I do like grazing at this time of year, as you know. I found these bath oils in Poundland. I haven't gotten around to getting the other ones yet. This one is lavender, and they also had eucalyptus, and they had another one, I think it was lemongrass, and I think these look very stylish. They've got the bits of lavender within them, and I think maybe getting a set of 3, maybe adding a couple of bath bombs. You could get some from in there, you could get some lovely ones in Lush as well. You could put together a nice little bath set for somebody. Maybe pop that with one of their favourite books, or a new book that they haven't read yet, and that would be a nice little bath set for somebody. You could always pop a candle in as well. And talking of candles, I've got a couple to show you. You may have seen these already. These are from Home Bargains, Midnight Bloom, Black Orchid and Amber, and there's a warm vanilla sugar one in there. And again, it's just in really nice packaging, so really easy to wrap up and a nice little gift. Also, I think at the minute, the White Company have got 20% off all of their candles, and their winter candles are probably the best ones that I've come across, apart from Diptyque, of course, which is my all-time favourite. So worth popping into there. I think they've still got the offer on, hopefully. I'm sorry if they haven't. I also picked up this one in Home Bargains, which is a lovely present. It's a 3 wicker with a stag on the front. This was $7.99, and it's just a nice big solid gift as well, so I think that would be really nice to give to somebody. The last thing I've got to show you was again from Home Bargains, and it was these Saint-Tropez Christmas crackers. Again, you may have seen these already, but I just thought I would remind you of them in this video because they're really cheap. I think they're less than £2 each. And the fact that they come in a cracker and they're pretty much good and wrapped to go means that they would be perfect to pop in a gift bag, maybe with some other items as well. So that is everything. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favourite, which item you would like to receive if you were going to have one of these presents. And also share your Christmas gift ideas down below. Give each other some inspiration and give me some inspiration, please, because I think I need some more. I'll link everything that I can find down below for you in the description box as well, so you can have a look down there if you want to have a look at any of these items. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe, and do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Hello everybody, hope you're all... What's my arm doing? It looks really weird. It doesn't look like my hand. Why is it looking strange today? I do it with that hand. What's wrong with me? Why doesn't my hand looks massive? Should I get the other one? I've spilled my coffee already. How have I done? Literally covered in coffee. Maybe I should just slip the small one in and it might look better. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. That's the wrong hand. Does it look so big? Crack open the Baileys, we've got this. Oh! That is not how I expected that to come out at all. I thought it was going to come out like a mist. Instead it came out like that.